Hi, in this video let me show you how to fix a paper jam on your HP LaserJet M234dw. There's a few places where we can look for any stock paper. So the first place is to open the top lid over here. So I'll put my finger under here and I will pull everything up. Then you're going to remove the cartridge by sticking your finger through it and pulling it out. Now we have a much better view, and there's a good chance that you're going to find some stock paper somewhere over here. If you see something wrong, take your finger or a pair of tweezers and remove it. I suggest you do this at least 2 minutes after finishing printing, because when you're printing, this printer gets very warm. So don't stick your finger right after a document got printed. Wait at least 2 minutes. Now, if nothing is wrong, you can also play with these things. As you see, there's even an arrow showing you that if you pull it towards you, this will drop. And if you take a look, sometimes paper can get stuck there as well. Let me put it back. Okay. And there is another arrow over here showing you exactly the same thing. Okay, you can stick your finger here, pull it slightly towards you. And if you see anything stuck there, remove it. Let me show you a second spot where you can find any stuck paper. If we go on the back of the printer, you can put your finger here, lower this, and that's a second spot where many pages, many paper can get stuck. So take a look and remove everything that you see. At the end, what I suggest is that you pull the cable from the printer once you have removed the paper jam and plug it back. Turn the printer on and the error should disappear by itself. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.